beat. This is beat. JC. Oh, when I think about you, I think, oh, it took me an hour, a minute, I think, oh, and I hit it in the face one time, she a hoe, and she tryna suck my dick, one of my phone, she a hoe, and she tryna suck my dick, in front of Anthony too, in the back of Patrick's car too, and she tryna get up on my asshole, and she fucking weird, I ain't never had nothing in my asshole, and bitch you is a fucking hoe, try to get up on my dick, but you ain't even know I'm a fucking real, keep it 100 with you, and I don't really like you, but you still be trying to get up all on me, still try to hit my ass up, and I done told your ass 4 times you a hoe, and I don't want to be with you, don't want nothing to do with you, cause you a butt, you a fucking hoe, you's a fucking hoe, let your motherfucking know, and your daddy know too, you's a hoe, I don't really give a fuck, bitch, you gotta fucking go, hit the fucking door, told you not to come back, bitch, why you come back, try to get up on my niggas' racks, try to spin it all out in the day, try to slip the ball, that niggas me, try to lay up on my homie Anthony too, why you try to lay up on everybody, why you try to fuck everybody, hit everybody up on that Facebook, bitch, you never had a life, ain't that fucking car wreck shit, should've fucking took your goddamn life, cause you never had a fucking life, you was always spending it on a fucking nigga's dick, answer that phone when your homie nigga call, and you know you riding dick, so you know you need to hang up, bitch. Hang up, bitch, bitches ain't fucking trick hoe, gon' be a hoe, and my nigga gonna know that she a fucking hoe, never wanna be with that fucking hoe, tell her ain't taking no more of that shit, bitch, hit the door type shit, hit you in the fucking face type shit, cause I'm fucking fed up with it, bitch, trying to hit me up, trying to suck me up, I don't want a bitch, hit you with the uppercut, hit you with the uppercut, and I think about you, I think hoe, you took me an hour hit it, I think hoe, I never sip a light, nigga, I drank hoes down in the mouth, and I tell her that she a fucking hoe, catch your mouth, catch your fucking mouth, herpes, catching all that herpes, and a pussy, nigga, you a fucking hurt me, bitch, hell nah, you can't hurt me, you can't get up all on me, you can only desert me, cause I don't want you, I told your ass I don't fucking want you, stop hitting me up, hoe.